Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eli. Today's video we have something super amazing that we're going to be reviewing. Thank you Tritton for sending this out to me for a review. It means so much. Anyway, as you see in the title and the thumbnail, we are unboxing and reviewing the Ark 100s. This is for Xbox One, PS4, and mobile. Also the Nintendo Switch, anything with the 3.5mm headset jack. This is a stereo wired headset. And honestly, it's way better than any other headset I tried so far, which is amazing. So yeah, let's get in with this. Let's just showing you the back, the front, every other piece that we're going to be showing you. So as you see, this does have an R drive, which is like one of the most advanced sound or speaker audio. So this is what it looks like. Very amazing. You see all this. Now I already opened it, but we're gonna go ahead and review it. So it's a little hard to open, but that means that it's well protected. Now you have to push the tag down on the bottom. Alright. Then also, let me just take off this tape because I didn't take it off. Sorry you saw my wire there. Just gonna take that tape off so we can open this fully. So it does have Tritton on there. So as you can see, you have the Tritton logo, and it has a very nice presentation. So let's go ahead and show you this. Very nice, and it also has the Ark 100 right here. All right. So first glance, you have the manual. I highly recommend you guys read this. This has a lot of good information, and you will learn a lot of stuff. So right here it has a stop, something about like warranty or something. It includes AA batteries, which is awesome. So it shows you how to set it up and do the lights properly, and how to do the how to turn them on, the speed of the cycle, how to mute the mic, how to consume battery less, power saving, have the active mode switch, which if you run out of battery, then you can still use the headset by moving the switch on the back using positive in the mode. Audio and the microphone will still function, but no controls will be operative. So basically it's wired. If you switch that, you could just use the wired, not the batteries. I don't think it'll have light though. But this is a very cool headset. So this is the manual. We have two AAA batteries, sorry. This would be in plastic, but already opened it, as I said, tested it. But these are not Duracell, which are awesome, because Duracell sucks. Well, they're good, but I mean, it's some batteries that you don't really want to get. So it would have protective plastic on it, and obviously a cable tie around it. So here, these are what it looks like. You have the Tritton logo right here. It's also a secret compartment for the batteries to be stored in there, which I'll put both of them. They both go in the same exact way, negative and positive, negative on top, positive on bottom. Then you can close it like so. Power it on by holding the button. You're probably like, what does this button do? Well, it's the EQ button. If you don't know what that is, EQ is basically to control the bass, which this has so much, like, you don't even know. So it's an EQ mode. So when you press it, you have three modes. You have 0, which is nothing, just regular. You have BB, which basically has bass boost. See? And then you have TB, which is treble boost. So I like bass boost because it has so much bass. Treble boost is really good as well, but I like bass modes personally, but you could change between those 3 modes: regular, bass boost, and TB, treble boost. So you have the mic options only available if you use the batteries. I'm not sure if you put it wired or something, but it does can save battery on your controller. So it's on right now, as you can see. I will be turning off the lights in a minute, but you also have the mic mute button, which right here, as you see, when it's red it's muted on top of the mic. You have the switching lights button, so it's pink, have a different color, and you can control the brightness as well. Then you also have the switch right here, like as we said before, when you switch it to this button, you don't use any power out of this once it's plugged in. So it does have the Tritton logo right here, as well as the top, and has some nice Tritton logos on the side of the headset. And you're probably like, where is the extending little thing? Well, it's actually the ear cuffs. The ear cuffs move around, and as you can see, you have the R drive right here. So that's what the sound is. You have the orange in the inside. Has a nice material inside, like a net, so it doesn't get you the sweat inside the speaker. You have nice, very nice soft cushions. Very, very nice. This is the softest cushion I actually ever felt. The stereo headset was okay. It's not really that good. It's not the best, but I mean, I like this because it's very comfortable. Even though they'll wear out a lot, but these are heavy duty. These will not wear out in like anytime soon. Probably 3 years, 4 years. But every headset does that. They have a nice cushion on top for long hours of gaming, and flexible mic, so your mic will never break, which is very nice. Alright, this is an amazing headset, guys. If you guys really want to buy it, which I 100% honestly recommend you guys buy this headset, because it is a very good price, $60. You're probably like, no, never, I'll never buy that. Well, if you don't want to buy that, then I at least encourage you to buy the Cama headset from Tritton. Either way, buy one of these headsets. Both of them will be linked in the description. If you haven't seen my Tritton Cama video, go see it in the link in the description as well, and at the end of the video. So make sure you guys like, comment, and of course subscribe for more videos just like this. This is a very amazing headset. I highly recommend you buy it. It's amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye.